Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm coming from the Keystone Big Show in Orlando, Florida, and I'm here to show you some of the latest and greatest new products that just come out, and I'm at the Real Truck booth. And what do we have here? Well, we got a couple things. Well, as you know, we've done a lot of the Tuxedo Elevate system. We also done a lot of the Sentry, Tuxedo Sentry CT, which is kind of like got the canvas on top. I'll show you a few things. Before I open the cover, I want to point out a few things. Now, as you know, the Elevate system is out. These center boards are just coming out. Now, center support, sorry. Now, if you look here, there is a T-slot here, so if you can add things to it. So if you want to attach some overlanding products to the side of this, you can do that. Now, if you look at the top here, there's two things on top here. A lot of people don't realize there is a T-slot, not just on the bottom, but on the top here. You got your supports if you want to put a ladder up there. Also, if you notice, there's a setup for a kayak. So again, this is designed for all your overlanding and your commercial stuff. So if you're just using it for ladders, you got it covered. Using it for your overlanding, you want to take your kayak, whatever, canoe, whatever, you got setups for that. And this does add more support to it. Now, this is again the Tuxedo CT here. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Now, if you notice, it does work with this setup here. Now, if you look real closely, I don't know if John, if you can see here, this also has the Elevate T-slot rails underneath this. Now, this is all made by Tuxedo, so they are designed to work together. Now, by the way, if you notice, there is a support system in here. And why is that good? Well, if you live in an area where it gets snow, it won't sag. And of course, I live in Florida and we got a lot of rain, you know, so. Now, if you look inside here, this also has the Bedrug Classic mat. Now, the Classic mat covers the sides, covers your tailgate, covers your little thing between the tailgate. It basically covers the whole entire thing here. Now, what I like about the Bedrugs, if you put your hand on it, you say, this is carpet. It's really not carpet. It's actually made of a plastic. Why is that good? Well, if you're going to put chemicals on here, you're putting, it takes a lot more abuse than a regular carpet. So it holds up. I have this in my personal vehicle. It's been in there for a long time. I beat the pants off this thing because I use my truck as a truck. And this will handle all that stuff. Again, if you look over here, besides this, a bunch of sunglasses they're giving away, the swing case. Another terrific product. And you can do, again, it's great for storage, keeping everything nice and clean in your bed here. And what's nice about this, I've done a video where I've turned this into a cooler. Now, put some sodas, some beer in there. And the nice thing is when the ice melts, I can just take it out, pour it all out, put it back in there. So, of course, I don't recommend putting beer in there, but I did. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm at the Keystone Big Show in Orlando, and I am doing a review video on a couple products, Tuxedo Elevate system, kayak holders, ladder supports, and of course the Tuxedo Sentry CT. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.